Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best argan oil is probably one of the most sought-after natural ingredients in haircare today, celebrated for its remarkable ability to nourish, strengthen, and revitalize strands from root to tip, making it a powerful ally for anyone dreaming of thicker, longer, and healthier hair. And in this video, we're diving deep into why this golden elixir deserves a spot in your hair growth routine. Number 5. Cliganic Organic Jojoba Oil. Discover the purity of 100% organic jojoba oil. It's a versatile solution for your beauty needs. This natural oil deeply moisturizes your face, leaving it soft and supple. Experience a healthy glow. It's also perfect for revitalizing your hair, adding moisture and shine. Say goodbye to dryness. Nourish your nails and cuticles with this pure formula. Keep them strong and healthy. Our oil is cold-pressed and hexane-free, ensuring you receive the highest quality natural ingredients. It's gentle yet effective. Use it as a natural base carrier oil for your favorite essential oils. Enhance your aromatherapy experience. What we like? This is a pure, cold-pressed jojoba oil. It's incredibly versatile, working wonders for your face, hair, skin, and nails. If you're looking for a natural, all-in-one moisturizer and carrier oil, this is an excellent choice for its purity and broad application. What people say. This product is amazing. My hair has grown so much in just a few weeks. I love how this oil makes my hair feel so soft and healthy. The scent of this oil is wonderful, and it doesn't leave my hair greasy. Number 4. HerStyler Argan Oil Hair Repair Serum. Discover the secret to revitalized hair. Our Argan Oil Hair Repair Serum is designed to bring life back to dull and damaged strands. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to brilliant shine. This lightweight formula works wonders for styling and enhancing your hair's natural luster. Experience deep hydration that absorbs quickly without weighing your hair down. It nourishes your locks from root to tip. Dreaming of thicker, fuller hair? This serum helps to create the appearance of more voluminous and robust hair with every use. Infused with the nourishing power of argan oil, it's the perfect solution for restoring health and vitality to damaged hair. Achieve salon-quality results at home. It's your simple solution for healthier, more beautiful hair every day. What we like? This serum is designed to tackle frizz and add brilliant shine. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula makes it perfect for styling without weighing hair down. If you have frizzy, damaged hair and want a product that enhances styling and leaves a smooth finish, this is the one for you. What people say. This oil is a game-changer for my hair growth journey. It has significantly reduced hair fall and promoted new growth within weeks. I've been using this argan oil for a few months now, and the difference in my hair's thickness and strength is remarkable. It also adds a beautiful shine without making my hair greasy. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the scalp, nourishing the follicles and creating a healthier environment for hair to grow. My hair feels softer and looks fuller. Number 3. Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the power of pure Moroccan argan oil. This sulfate-free formula gently cleanses and deeply nourishes your hair. Infused with keratin, it works to repair damage and hydrate every strand. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, manageable hair. Tired of frizz? Our set smooths and tames unruly hair, leaving it sleek and shiny. Enjoy a polished look every day. Whether your hair is curly or straight, fine or thick, this set is designed for you. It provides essential moisture and strength. Achieve professional, salon-quality results right in your own bathroom. Experience healthier, more beautiful hair with every wash. This set includes two 16 fluid ounces bottles, offering great value. You'll have plenty of this luxurious treatment to keep your hair looking its best. What we like? This set offers a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner infused with Moroccan oil and keratin. It's formulated to hydrate and repair all hair types, delivering salon-like results. If you desire hydrated, frizz-defying hair and are looking for a gentle yet effective cleansing and conditioning system, this set is ideal. What people say. This oil is amazing. My hair has grown so much since I started using it. I love how this oil makes my hair feel so soft and manageable. It also smells great. I've been using this oil for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in my hair growth. It's thicker and fuller than before. Number 2. Artnaturals Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the nourishing power of our Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. It's crafted with organic and natural ingredients to revitalize your hair. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this conditioner is designed for you. It works effectively on all hair types. Say goodbye to dryness and damage. This formula deeply conditions and repairs, restoring health and shine to tired strands. Protect and enhance your color-treated hair. It helps maintain vibrancy while providing essential moisture and protection. If you're concerned about hair loss, this conditioner can help. It strengthens your hair from root to tip, promoting fuller-looking locks. Experience the transformative effects of pure argan oil. Achieve softer, smoother, and more manageable hair with every use. What we like. This leave-in conditioner is crafted with organic and natural ingredients to treat damaged, dry, and color-treated hair. It also targets concerns like hair loss, promoting healthier growth. If your hair is compromised, dry, or you're experiencing thinning, this treatment provides deep conditioning and restorative benefits. What people say. The oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. It has a pleasant, natural scent and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Visible results in hair thickness and reduced hair fall within a few weeks of consistent use. Number 1. Premium Nature Argan Oil Hair and Skin Serum. Discover the power of 100% pure, cold-pressed argan oil. This virgin oil is your secret to healthier hair and radiant skin. Struggling with dry or damaged hair? Our Argan Oil Serum is designed to stimulate growth and revitalize your locks from root to tip. Experience deep, lasting hydration. It effectively treats dryness and repairs damage, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. Beyond hair, it's a luxurious moisturizer for your skin and body. Enjoy supple, hydrated skin all day long. Don't forget your nails. This versatile oil acts as a protector, strengthening them and preventing breakage. This generous 4-ounce bottle provides ample supply of this natural wonder. Embrace the benefits of pure argan oil for your entire well-being. What we like. This is virgin, 100% pure cold-pressed argan oil. It's specifically highlighted for stimulating hair growth and is also a fantastic moisturizer for skin and nails. If you're seeking a potent, natural oil to address hair growth concerns and provide deep hydration for your skin and body, this premium argan oil is your best bet. What people say. This product is amazing. It has made my hair grow so much longer and thicker. I have been using this product for a month now and I can already see a difference in my hair growth. My hair has never felt so healthy and strong before using this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.